As you can, okay, this is my bike. I'm gonna do a bike check right here. I love this bike. So safe and everything. As you can see, the brake is amazing. Works perfect. See? That's gonna stop you from anything. That's gonna stop you from anything. Then we got the wheel. Screwed on really tight. There's the crooked seat. I love that thing. We got the weird pedals. And watch this. Look how stable this is. This bike is great for doing wheelies and such. Just need to get the wheel back on there. It's great for doing wheelies and stuff.